Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered how it got there? Believe it or not, scientists think it all started around 4.5 billion years ago, not long after Earth itself was born. Back then, Earth wasn't the peaceful planet we know today. It was a fiery, chaotic place. And then, boom, it got hit by a Mars-sized object named Theia. This wasn't a small hit. It was a massive collision that shook the entire planet. Instead of just bouncing off, Theia partly merged with Earth, and the impact sent a huge cloud of debris into space. That debris was made up of super-hot rock and vaporized material from both Earth and Theia. For a while, all that stuff orbited around Earth like a glowing ring, a bit like Saturn's rings today. But over time, gravity started pulling those pieces together. Bit by bit, they clumped into a ball. That ball became our moon. At first, it was covered in lava and extremely hot. But as it cooled down, it slowly formed the surface we see today, full of craters, dark patches, cold maria, and rocky plains. How do we know this really happened? When astronauts brought moon rocks back during the Apollo missions, scientists studied them. The rocks turned out to be almost identical to Earth's crust, a strong sign that the moon came from Earth itself, not from somewhere far away. Since then, the moon has been slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters every year. Even so, it still plays a big role in our lives. It controls the tides, helps keep Earth's tilt stable, and lights up our night sky. So next time you see the moon glowing above, remember this: it's not just a rock in space. It's a piece of Earth's history, born out of chaos, shaped by time, and still dancing with our planet to this day. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand space science.